my head, I'm feeling down. And I know appreciation been run. Why?
Because Pinoy is mm, scammer.
Your experience. Your experience.
Yeah, I'm broken heart.
Oh. We have a awesome guest. Oh my god, I guys, are you guys are excited? Because I think it's the first time of them are here on my channel, and I think you never seen them on my live stream as well. Because they're actually, um, always working, work, and yeah. And I personally know Ate Mylan because we are actually neighbor in the countryside, but this is actually her employer. That's how I know her as well. And today we are going to do some interviews of them because these two ladies are looking for love. Are you guys are looking for love? Yes.
Yes, if they have.
If possible. Why not, right? Are you looking for love, Ate Mylene?
Yes, really love you.
Okay, so today, but before of that, we are going to ask you your names first. So let's go with Ate Mylene. What's your name?
I'm Aline Hernani.
Mylene Hernani. And how about you, Ate?
Yes, I am Diana Masayon. I am 53 years of age.
How old are you, Ate
I
Mylene?
am 45 years old.
So why you decided to look for a love? Look for a love when you're already in your certain age.
Yeah, because I am a widow, I want to have a love
Mm,
for a companionship
mm,
like that.
mm,
There's cheka cheka
mm.
and helping in my business.
You have a business that
Yeah.
really sounds interesting.
Yes, I have a business. I have a grocery store in the market of Toledo City.
How is it going? Is it like a big business?
No, it's not big, it's not small,
Mm.
but I know where belong in medium only.
Okay, so now you're a widow. What if you found a someone that wanted to marry you? So is it possible?
Yeah. Okay, if he is decided
Mm.
to meet,
Mm.
okay, I will welcome him to come in our country in the Philippines
Mm-hmm.
that we will meet. So if they were understand to each other, uh, that's it. Getting married, married,
Wow.
married.
Wow. You will not gonna say no.
No, I'm like married.
You like to get married.
Yeah, I like to get married.
So what if like he wants you to stop with your business since you are, like a woman and he wants you to rest.
Yes, I like.
Mm. What
I
will happen
want.
to your business?
Uh
You'll be
I will leave to my the only daughter.
Oh, you have one daughter
Yeah, yeah,
only.
yeah, yeah. I have
How old
my
is
one.
she?
What?
How old is your daughter?
27.
27 years
Yeah.
old.
She
Okay.
can manage her because he is in the right age of now.
Wow, second
Yeah.
manager. How about you, Ate Mylan? Why you decided to find love?
I'm in a final love because I'm need a companion my life. I'm lonely always.
Mm.
I am a broken family. I am a
Okay.
single mom.
Single mom. So how
Yeah.
many children do you have?
Six children.
Six children. So how long you and your last partner separate?
And 14 years ago.
No, 14 years
Yeah.
already. It's been a while. It must be so, you know, lonely.
Lonely. I'm lonely. I
Yeah.
need important, honest, loyal,
Mhm.
and loving, caring.
Loving and caring. Of course,
Yeah.
that's really much important in a relationship.
Because I am serious.
You're serious.
Yeah, yeah. I
Mhm.
need serious and
Mhm.
a companion.
Serious
And
companion.
yeah, and best friend and
Yeah.
friend benefits.
Well, yeah. What you're trying to say is that you want a someone that can be your best friend. You can be your everything. You know, like because
Yeah.
you know, like it's very
My
important for us
companion.
to have a partner like that. They can be our partners in everything. They can be our best friends.
Yeah, best
Yeah,
friend.
best
Yes.
friend and best
And
friend and
yeah,
you'll
what if they are asking you to get married or like they asking you for marry? Are, they,
ah
are you willing to get
yeah,
married?
I willing to get married because I love you.
I
love you
love
din.
you. Yeah, because it bloopers. So I have another questions here. So do your kids in do your kids understand if you guys are looking for someone? Yes.
Yes. They were understand.
Mm.
You know, my kids are my childrens are two only. They are all got married already.
Mhm.
Yeah. I have two grandson as of now.
Mhm.
He is 5 years old and 3 years old.
Mhm. So, how about you, Ate Mylen? Does your kids allow you to have partner?
Yes, because
You're
I'm
single.
single. My kids is no problem. I am support.
They're supportive to you.
Yeah.
So, what are you doing for the last 14 years of being single?
I'm lonely. I'm sad.
Dali ang sad.
Single. I need a partner, a companion like love and caring and
Yes, of
loving. That's
course.
all.
Wow. Yeah, I think like everybody wants to have in a partner, right? Like especially when already in our perfect age for us to have a partner already. So I think there's nothing wrong with having a partner right now. Like especially you're already settled enough and you're already settled enough. You just now need a like a partner. Because why you decided instead of just meeting in local Filipinos, why you decide to like maybe I was going to have a some foreigners boyfriends. Why?
Why?
Pinoy
I don't like Pinoy
Why?
because Pinoy is a scammer.
Your experience. Your experience.
Yeah, I'm broken heart.
Oh. you, you already broken hearted from your past. That's why you don't want to be in a Philippine anymore because you're done with them. Okay, that's really much understandable. Understandable. How about you, Ati? Why you decided to jump into like looking for a foreign love?
Yes, I'm looking a foreign love. I will try. Okay. Because I'm already finished in Filipino.
Mm.
Yeah. I will try to another
Things.
no.
No.
Unsa may tawag ani?
Another nationality.
Oo. Yes, I will try to another nationality.
Mm-mm. Because
And
have you guys been tried talking to some foreigners before?
uh yes,
Mm-hmm.
in the store,
Mm-mm.
the customer,
Mm-hmm.
she have a Filipino wife,
Mm-hmm.
and then sometimes we will interview their husband,
Mm-hmm.
foreigner, like that. Mm-hmm.
Mm, wow. Okay, how about you, Ate? Have you tried to talk with foreigners before?
No, because partner don't like me.
Foreigner don't like you. Why? Is that you're beautiful? You guys are beautiful. Why?
I don't know.
You don't know
But
yet.
I'm like foreigner. Foreigner don't like.
Okay. Okay, I understand. So now, have you guys went to before like asking me to do some interviews? Have you tried talking to a foreigners through online, like from dating sites?
Yeah, I have, but hmm?
What happened?
Always saying I love you.
Uh-huh. No
That's
action.
only, yeah, yeah, yeah.
No action.
No action.
Oy.
I want to,
To have someone that
really, yeah,
yeah,
I want to have someone that really
doing.
visit me or meet me in the Philippines like
Mm.
that, and then, mhm.
So, have you tried being talking to just like a scammer guy like on
Like
TV?
that, yes,
Have you
yes,
tried to? Because it's really kind of common, like
yeah.
when they're trying to like, hi baby, I am nurse or
Mm.
I am a
Oh
doctor, and then
yes, oo.
I will going to send you something in
Yeah,
Amazon,
yes,
see
yes, yes, yes.
something like that.
Subok ko na yan. I'm
You
already,
tried that?
yeah, I'm already trying that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's really common tactics of the scammers. Like because I experienced that also before. Like I just talking, and I can tell that
Mm.
they're really scammer. Like it's good to be true. Like especially they're so sexy, have a big abs, and then suddenly they're actually a doctor, and
Oh
they will
yes,
and then
oh mga
trying to pretend that they are doctor, lawyer, and then at the end of the day they will just going to. Can you ask? Can you send me money, baby, for the
yeah, yeah,
Amazon?
yes,
Yeah, something like that.
something like that.
Mm-mm.
I want
Mm-mm.
to see is to believe.
To see is to believe.
Yeah.
So she wants someone that will going to visit here in the Philippines, not just always like, oh yes, of course I'm going to visit you, but of course like action,
Nothing,
like
yeah. Action only.
yeah, more on actions. So what type of okay, how about the ate? Like because then my
Action
I
is
have
louder than
than
words,
words.
yeah.
Yeah, action
Action
is
is
louder
louder
than
than
words.
words.
So how about you, Ate? Have you tried messaging with exchange messaging with a foreigners through dating sites?
Yeah.
And then how's your experience?
Experience my and install a dating site. Foreigner is calmer and you tell me I love you, I miss you. Nya. No true.
Ay.
I don't like scammer foreigner. That's
Oh, like
all.
they always keep telling you, "I love you" and "I miss you," and then just ignoring you the entire time,
Yeah.
or like,
How many
mm,
tell me I love you, I miss you, but no,
no more, no,
no,
nothing
nothing
happened.
happened because
Oh.
foreigner is calmer.
Some the other that you talk to in online,
Yeah,
that's the
online.
online.
Yeah.
Okay, that's why, like, sometimes it happens, but maybe someday in the right time you will gonna find someone that really match your personalities or really wants to see you, not just like always talking about I love you, miss you, but doing their things in order for them to visit you.
Really, I'm very happy because
Oh.
I like foreigner and serious and honest.
Mm.
Do not tell me again I love you, I love you.
Mm.
Nothing naman.
You want real. For real. You want for real. Yes,
Today.
a real love. You want a
Yeah,
real love.
I love you. Foreigner is mm,